What's good with chat? It's C-Mac and I am back for another video. Today we are outside of the craft room. We're actually at Goodwill where we are going to try to find our next project that we're going to work on. So let's go in here and let's see what we can find. I haven't been to this one in a long time, so I'm pretty excited. Blue tags on sale. Hey, rack's looking a little empty today. What is going on? It's not looking good. I used to have pajama pants like this. Okay, y'all, we are gonna try this Goodwill. The Goodwill we just was at was sucked. So hopefully we find something for us. Already walking in, I can find so much more stuff on these racks. So hopefully we find something. If this was my size, if you know, I definitely got it. But yeah, these are definitely an option. I have something in mind that I want to do with some denim jeans, so I'm gonna hold on to these. I'm stuck in between. So there's these Goodfellow ones, and then they also have these Levi ones, which is a darker wash, and this is a lighter wash. These are also cut already at the bottom too. Decisions. Ooh, they have some Carhartts. Not my size. Y'all, look at the sheet I just found. If you know, you know. I might get it to make something with it. I do it. Let me see how much it is. $3.19. That should be $1. That should be $1. What do I make with it? So I found a few things, and I'll show you guys once we get outside and actually check out. How much do you think I spent? 15 plus the fabric in your hand? 22. Let's see. So my total was actually $19, but then I had a $15 coupon, but I only used 10. So my total was actually $9 for all of this. Anyways, I'm gonna show you guys what I got and my plans for each of the items that I bought. All right, y'all, so we are back. I'm gonna show you guys the few things that I did find and kind of my ideas behind them. First of all is this blue, I think this is like a knit kind of material. I want to use that in addition to, I don't know, this Fortnite sheet that I found. I want to make something like together. I'm not 100% sure, but like this is like, I think a twin, maybe a full sheet of a Fortnite. And you know me by my last few videos that we are loving Fortnite right now. So I don't know, something I'm guessing with these two fabrics. And then I also found this Spider-Man sheet or curtain. And I've been collecting some Spider-Man fabrics because, again, I have something in mind where I want to make like this patchwork Spider-Man, either shorts, pants, I'm not sure on the garment yet, maybe a shirt. But this is really cute and I can't wait to make something with that. Next on the list, I found some more pink fabric for my wife. The shorts that I made a couple of videos back were actually for my wife, I was saying, but they're a little too small, her liking. So I'm actually glad that we found some more of that. It's kind of more of a heavyweight material, but it's going to still work the same. It's probably going to work better than the material that we had before. So I'll be remaking her shorts with this material. I also found some red pinstriped material. I'm not sure what I have in mind for this quite yet. Leave your comments down below what you guys think I should make with this. It's not a lot of fabric, but it's enough to make something. So again, leave that down in the comments. Last two items, I found some pants. These are just some work pants that I'm gonna wear to work. So really cute pinstriped pink pants. And then I have some jeans where I want to kind of paint and put something on here. Let me know in the comments section below what would you guys do or upcycle with any of the materials that I bought from Goodwill today. Make sure if you are enjoying the videos, make sure to smash that like button, comment down below your guys' ideas. As always, stay positive, and of course, I'll be back for more videos. Bye!
Get out your feelings and get it yourself. Might got the same shoes, but you ain't gon' step. That shit that you just put out, you could've kept.